Your entry point for all things related to EuroPython 2021 is the EuroPython website. That is ep2021.europython.eu. Okay, you, I'm sure, already know the website. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's where you find the schedule, for instance, among other things, information about the speakers, information about the conference, and so on and so on and so forth. Now, in order to get to the conference system, to watch the conference again and to chat with other folks, you will have to log into ep2021.europython.eu. Okay, so there is this nice little button here, says login or sign up. If you want to attend the conference, you have to buy a ticket. And in order to buy a ticket, you have to create an account on ep2021.europython.eu. You can also, as I will show you just now, choose not to create an account, but rather use this login with Google authentication. Okay, that will use your existing Google account if you have one, and will avoid creating a full-blown account on EP2021. So you have a choice: either log in with Google if you do happen to have a Google account, or create a username and password and log in with those. I will choose this latter option. I created an account with username and password on EP2021. I use that. It's the same. Okay, so you log in. Once you log in, you land on your user dashboard. You will see that here I see extra stuff that you might not be able to see. That's because I'm an organizer. I'm a conference organizer, and so I see the nitty-gritty details of the backstage of the website. But anyway, doesn't matter. Now, in your user dashboard, you will see various things like your tickets. You see that I have many. But you will crucially see this part here, EuroPython conference system, and the credential, email and password that you will have to use to log in onto that separate system. And then here at the bottom, you will see a nice big green button that says go to the EuroPython conference system. Now you click on that and you are magically teleported to the conference system website. Now, one thing that I would like to mention about these credentials. As I mentioned, there are two ways of getting onto EP 2021. One way, which is the one I chose, is to create an account. The second way is to use your existing Google account. Okay? In the first case, just like in my case, here, email and password, the credentials for the EuroPython conference system, will be the same credentials, the same email, and the same password that you use for EP 2021. Okay? Exactly the same. If, on the other hand, you have chosen to log in with Google, then you will have to choose to use your email, your Google email, and a password, the password that will appear here in the place of this sentence. It will be a temporary password that is valid for the duration of the conference that we generate for you so that you can access the system. It's a password that is not stored anywhere. Okay, so even if our website gets compromised, let's hope not, that password will not be present anywhere. Okay, So that's something that we have done for you. And we had to do it, incidentally, if you're curious about the technical details, because people who log in into EP 2021 with their Google accounts don't have a password on our system. Okay, that's the whole point of the social authentication thing. Anyway, in both ways, use the credentials that you see here and click on to go to the EuroPython conference system. Now, as you will have noticed, a new tab opens. Okay, this is where I was. I clicked here and I got this new tab. In your case, it might open in a new window. Doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So you log in, you say sign in, and you get this screen. It will ask you for email and password. Again, email and the password. In this case, I will use the same password I use for EP 2021. If here you have some password, use that. Okay, so I already logged in a few times, so my browser remembers that, and I click on sign in. Now, this step here, after you click on sign in, might take a long time, especially the first time around. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Okay, setting up your account is setting your membership to various rooms or chat channels into the system. Everything is cool. Don't get nervous. It's absolutely fine. Now, you might also get this stuff here that I'm getting, this verify your login business. Again, this happens if you used more than one device to log into the system. I just click skip and I'm good to go. You can choose to verify your login with the other device. It's up to you. It's totally fine. Okay? Again, this is EP 2021 and this is the conference system that we are using. You can also note this URL and you can also access it directly if you remember. Now, one thing that people ask sometimes is this. Let's say you're in some other part of, I don't know, in some other part of the EP 2021 website and you forgot the URL for the conference system. How do you find it? Easy. Click here on your name. Okay? On the EP 2021 website, click on the top right corner on your name and boom. Here you are. Okay? Very easy. I forgot my username and password. Don't worry. Your browser saved your password, most likely than not. Look there. If not, look at your operating system specific information on how to retrieve the password. Hey, you cannot find it, you cannot remember it, you cannot retrieve it. You can always reset your password in using EP 2021. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just reset your password. I think it's in profile information or somewhere else, but you can, or maybe when you log in, let's see. Okay, forgot your password. Okay, here, there you have it. Okay, do I have to be logged into the EP 2021 website in order to access the conference system? No, but you do need an account, either a login with Google type of account or a full-blown username and password type of account. And you also need to have purchased tickets for the conference. All right. Now, this is the conference system. Again, you will see here that I see some, rooms, as they're called. I can see 41 more, lucky me. And you will see some have some messages that I haven't read. Some have this little dot. I don't know what that is about. You will also notice that I see a lot more rooms probably than you do. And that's because I am again, a conference organizer, so I see every single possible room. Let's see some room with some messages. So, okay, you see here there is a video conference starting. The system is quite nice, to be honest. It's a little bit confusing at first, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. Now we're still setting it up. You will see some random stuff here. It looks a little bit barren right now, a little bit empty, not many people hanging out in the rooms. But during the conference, the upper part of this window will have the actual live content, the actual trainings and the actual talks and presentations and keynotes and all that kind of stuff. And the bottom part here will be about the chat, asking questions to the speakers and chatting with other people. Okay, if you need help, if you're navigating the system or something, hop to the info desk and just ask us a question. All right. Now, if you click here on room info, you can see how many people are around. Okay, something went wrong. As I mentioned, we're still debugging the system. It's a fairly complicated system, but we'll figure how to fix those things. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. I didn't really want to show you this this bug, but there you have it. I hope you enjoy. Let me sign out and sign in again. Maybe I will have better luck next time. And there you go. Okay. No, I don't know. Yeah. Just by magic reloading the system, the next step was rebooting your computer. And everything works. No comment. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is even more than I wanted to show you. Hope that you found this useful, and hope to see you in a little bit less than a month for the conference and the live event. Cheers.